Now update command is used to update or modify entries in the existing table, such as we want to update fee from 2000 to 4000, right? So we have to write update name of the table, then set name of the column, then new value where fee is equal to 2000, that is old value. Now you can see select asterisk from student. Naresh is having fee 2000, but after update command, right, the fee is 4000. So in this way update command is used to modify or update values of the existing table. Similarly, if you want to update or change name with this name, right, this is the old name and this is the new name, then we have to write update name of the table, set name of the column, then new value where name is equal to, that is column name is equal to old value. Now alter table command is used to modify the structure of the table, whereas update command is used to modify values of the table. So if you want to modify value, then we have to use update, whereas if you want to change the structure of the table, then we have to use alter command. Using alter command, we can add, delete, modify columns in an existing table. Now suppose we want to add a column hobby in the student. So we have to write alter table name, add name of the column, then data type, and then size of the column. Now you can see student table is not having any hobby column, but after passing this command, alter table student add hobby varchar 10, the hobby column is added in the last, you can see here. So in this way alter table is used to add column also. Now if you want to remove any column or delete any column, we have to use alter always. Now the syntax is alter table name, and then drop command column and then column name. So in this way the answer is alter table student drop column and then column name. So in this way the hobby column will be deleted from the table. Similarly, for removing primary key of the table, we simply write alter table name drop primary key. In this way, primary key will be dropped from the table. Now, we want to add a primary key, or we want to make fee ID as primary key. How we can make it? Using alter command. Alter table name add, because primary key is a constraint, so we have to write constraint fee ID then primary key. So alter table student add constraint fee ID primary key. So this is the syntax for adding primary key or to make any column as primary key. Now let us revise quickly. Update command, it is used to update or modify values of the table. Keep in mind values, not structure. Whereas alter table command is used to modify structure of the table. Structure means to add a column, to delete a column, to add a constraint, or to delete a constraint. Thank you.